Hi everyone, welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. So in this session guys, we will discuss what is polymorphism in Java. Okay, so polymorphism means one person having the different behavior. I can give you the example of myself. So I am the one person, I am teaching you. So I am a teacher. If I will go to office, I am a employee. Right. So I am only one person and having the different behavior. I will give you the another example of e-commerce. Okay, so if I will go for Amazon application, okay, if I will go for Flipkart, and I will also go for Myntra. Okay, so e-commerce is your superclass type, means type is only one e-commerce. This application is the only one type, e-commerce type, right? But if I am the new customer, if I will go for the new customer functionality, you can see here this implementation is different, means this page is look like different, and functionality is, you can see, you have to enter your name, your mobile number, your password. If you will go for here, okay, for new customer, so you can see here you have to enter only your mobile number. Or if you will go for Myntra, right, so here also the implementation, like you can see, interface of the page is different. Understood, right? So e-commerce is the only one type, and if you will go for the feature of new customer, so it behaves like a different, right? So here e-commerce is the one types and we having the different, it behaves like the different implementation. How to achieve polymorphism in Java? By using the overloading and overriding concept. So here I will just give you one example. So if I will go here, so how, so e-commerce, e-com is your superclass type, e equal to new, and we are holding the object of Amazon. Understood, right? So what the features we have? We have a features is your new customer. So if I will access e dot new customer, okay, understood, right? So if you will access new customer, which logic and which implementation will execute? It will execute new Amazon type. Understood, right? So we are holding the object of new Amazon type. Again guys, so this is, I'm just going for high level. Okay, so if I will go for the depth, what is overloading and overriding concept, you will get more clarity. Just I am giving you overview of the polymorphism. Okay, so next session we will explore what is overriding and overloading concept. With same example we'll try to implement in Java programming. Okay, so now here if you are see, the features is new customer, but here new customer implementation means Amazon new customer implementation will execute. Now if you are holding e equal to Flipkart, okay, and if I call e dot new customer, okay, so here again which method implementation, which new customer method will execute? Flipkart type. Hope you are able to understand. If you will create an object of e equal to new Myntra, okay, e dot new customer, so here Myntra type new customer implementation will execute. Okay, understood, right? So just we will go for some theory part. So let me erase this. Okay, so here how to define the polymorphism in Java? So polymorphism means having the multiple form. So by following the polymorphism, we are defining multiple method. What is the multiple method? So we have implemented different types of the method. It depend upon the subclass type. What is the subclass type here? Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, these are the subclass type. Understood, right? With same implementation or different implementation. Okay, either you can define as a same implementation or different implementation. So implementation means in the method you are writing the logic, right? Just we are printing the system.out.println because this is the dummy code, but in real time we are implementing the logic. So we develop the polymorphism with method overloading and method overriding. Okay, so we will discuss method overloading and method overriding in the depth in the coming session. So overloading contains same logic with different parameter, and overriding contains different logic with same parameter. Okay, so you guys can give the real-time example of e-commerce application. Okay, we have a multiple example. I can give you the another example of ATM card. Okay, so ATM, right? ATM A equal to new HDFC Bank, right? We are holding the HDFC Bank object and we have a set of operation like withdraw operation. So if you will access A dot withdraw, then HDFC withdraw method will execute. If you will go for the ICIC, then ICIC will execute if you are holding the ICIC object, right? So ATM is the only one types, but it behaves like the implementation is different. So you can give the multiple example if you will think for polymorphism concept. Every topic try to give one of the real time example, then those example you can implement in your Java code. So in this session that's it guys. So if you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get new video notifications. See you in the next video. Bye bye.